I'm Barack Obama. Barack, they're savages, and any contact with them breeds infection. There are white folks, and then there are ignorant motherfuckers like you. You ain't my bitch, nigga. The children who claim to be Obamas are not Obamas. Maybe they're looking at that big butt of yours. Damn it, Bear, you can't just sit around like some good-time Charlie waiting for luck to see you through. Why don't you buy a new dress for the party? He smoked cigarettes and wore leather jackets. I spent the last 2 years of high school in a daze. To avoid being mistaken for such a sellout, I chose my friends carefully. I drank beer heavily and tried drugs enthusiastically. I discovered that it didn't make any difference whether you smoked reefer in the white classmate's sparkling new van, or in the dorm room with some brother you'd met down at the gym, or on the beach with a couple of Hawaiian kids who had dropped out of school and now spent most of their time looking for an excuse to brawl. I'm saying the coaches may not like you because you're a smart-ass black man, but it might help if you stopped eating all them fries you eat, making you look 6 months pregnant. Tell me we wouldn't be treated different if we was white, or Japanese, or Hawaiian, or fucking Eskimo. Why don't you come by on Sunday? Sister Regina, and your mother was begging Barack to stop. We should still be celebrating the fact that I am the sole African-American, and only the third since Reconstruction, to serve in the Senate. That's the only way to cure an illness, right? Who told you that being honest was a white thing? Bullshit. You know exactly what I mean. Africa's the cesspool of the world. Get your hands out of my fries. You ain't my bitch, nigga.